Hello fellow knights and knighterellas, my name is Johnny Liechty and today I will show you how to build a super fancy swordboard. You will need following material: some piece of wood, a hand drill, a hook for the side, thick nails, more hooks and even more hooks, a leather bag, some leather straps, a sword, more swords, maybe some gloves, a thin ass sword, a knife, a screwdriver, a bottle of ballistol, polish and steel wool or whatever you use to clean your swords, and a deer skull. A plank like that you would get on the internet or at your local carpenter. Start off by smoothing the surface of the plank. I would advise you to use some sandpaper, but if you also have to sanitize your fucked up corona hands like I do, you can do it with your bare hands, of course. Next, use your sword to measure out the right point for the thick ass nails. Next, I pre-drilled the holes for the thick boys. If you just put them in like that, I was afraid to just burst the whole plank in half, because they're just such thick ass boys! Next, I added the hook on the side of the plank. During drilling, I recognized there's a lot of resin left in the wood. Because I didn't want the resin to spoil the wall, I cut out a piece of cardboard and taped it to the back of the plank. Next, find the right spot for the plank on the wall and mark the spots for some more thick boys. Add some nails and some hooks to it. Thick boy! Captain Hook. And place the plank back on the wall. Now it's time to add some extra. I used the most manly hot melt gun to put the skull on the board. Afterwards, I took a razor to cut any leftovers of the glue. Now finish the surface with some good old fucking ballistol. Take a sip, it's good for you. Put enough oil on the hooks and nails so they don't start to rust. In the flask I have some more ballistol for cleaning, and into the leather bag I put in some polish, steel wool and old cloth. That's all stuff that I use to clean the swords. Look at this fine board of swords! Anyway, that's it for today's video. We are INDES with HEMA hacks. Give us a bloody thumb up and we're out!